Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English class for the students of nursery on the topic of matching. Students, I am repeating the topic. Today our topic is matching. This is our 10th lecture and 9th homework. I am repeating, this is our 10th lecture and 9th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. That means your pencil, sharpener, eraser, all your necessary elements will do matching. So let's start. Look students, our question is match the words with right picture. Look, in this side, I have given some pictures of some flowers, some birds, and like this. So, and this side, I have written some words. So, you have to match this side to that side. You have to match the words with this picture. Look, in this picture, this is a flower, this is butterfly, this is a bird named parrot, this is swing, this is called slide, and this is a bird named moina, and this is also a bird named crow. And this side I have written the names parrot, flower, swing, butterfly, crow, moina, and slide. Students, you have to match them all. First one is parrot. So you have to find out the picture of parrot from this side. So where you can see the parrots, look, there are 3 birds, and from these 3 you have to find out the parrot. We know this is the parrot. So we have to draw lines like this. You have to match like this. Now our second number is flower. So where is the flower? Can you get it? Yes, and the first one is flower. So we have to match the word flower with this picture. This is flower. Students, I hope you understand how to draw with the word. You have to draw a line with the picture. Number 3, swing. And where is the swing? This one or this one? Can you guess which one is swing? Yes, I hope you guess the correct word. This one is swing and this one is slide. So you have to match swing, the word, with the picture. So I am matching them. Swing, this is the word swing and this is the picture of swing. Now number 4. Look, number 4 is butterfly. You know which one is butterfly? This is very easy. This one is butterfly. So we have to match them. Butterfly, word is here and the picture is here. So we matched butterfly. Now come to number 5, crow. This is the name of a bird and here we find 2 rest of the picture of birds. And you can say, Miss, which one is crow? Yes, I am explaining. Look, this is moina and this is crow. They are same in color. They are black. So you have to identify which one is crow and which one is moina. Look, the crow is comparatively bigger than moina. It is big in size than moina. And look at its tail. It's long and it's big also. And moina is small in size than a crow. So we have to match the word crow with the picture. This is crow. We matched it. Now come to number 6. Number 6 is Moina. We know that the left one is called Moina. So we have to match them like this. Okay. Our last number is number 7, slide. So we matched everything, right? Except this one, except this picture and this word. So definitely we'll match them together. So students, this is the word slide and this is the picture of a slide. We matched them. Students, I hope you can understand how you have to match the words and the pictures. Students, I have given your homework. Your homework will be this matching. I'm repeating, your homework will be matching. And another thing I want to clear that in your SW copy, at one side you will write these words and another side, if you can draw this, please draw the pictures, and if you can't, then write the names. Like I am showing you, if you can't draw the flower, please write here flower and you will match flower with flower. You will write flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. And if you can't write or draw the picture of parrot, you can write. Look, I am writing. Here we write parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. And here flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. If you will write all this here, okay, like this, you will write all the words, and the other side, if you can draw the flower, you will write flower, O-W-E-R, flower, and other words. And after that, you will match flower with flower, parrot with parrot, like this. And I'm saying again, if it is possible for you to draw these pictures, please draw. It doesn't matter whether your art is perfect or not. I'll just see that yes, you have done your homework, and I'll provide your homework properly and homework number also. So students, do your homework in your SW copy and please write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date at the top of the corner of your copy. Our lecture number is 10 and homework number is 9. And don't forget to write the submission date. You have to submit your SW copies on every Sunday, and please write the date of Sunday. Students, so please do your homework in your SW copy, and guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious because you will get your CT and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.